Welcome everyone and back again onto Foxtecc, and in this video we're going to be discussing how to fix your AirPods case if it's not showing any light. This can be a frustrating issue, but do not worry as I'll walk you through a few steps to troubleshoot and resolve it. First, let's address the most obvious and common cause: charging. If your AirPods case isn't showing any light, it might not be receiving power. Make sure you're charging it with a lightning cable and a wall adapter. Like normally, just plug it into a known good power source and see if the light comes on. Sometimes it's just simple as that, is using a different charger or cable to ensure the case is getting the power. If you have wireless charging, try that as well to see if it makes a difference. Next, let's talk about protective cases. If you have a protective cover on your AirPods case, it could be causing the issues. These cases can sometimes obstruct the charging port or even a wireless charging pad, preventing proper charging. So remove the protective cover and try charging your AirPods case again without the cover. I've had situations where the material of the cover didn't let the cable plug in fully, and I didn't realize my AirPods were not charging until later, so I generally recommend charging your AirPods without any additional covers to avoid these problems. Now, inspect your AirPods case and the AirPods themselves for any visible damage. Physical damage or exposure to water can prevent the case from charging and showing any lights. If you notice any damage, this might be the root of the issue and a professional repair could be necessary. If you've ensured the case is charged and there's no visible damage, the next step is to reset the case. To do this, press and hold down the button on the back of the case for about 15 to 20 seconds until you see the light flash amber and then white. This reset might resolve any software glitches causing this issue. Finally, if after all these steps your AirPods case still doesn't show any light, it might be time to seek professional help. You can contact Apple support or visit an Apple store to get more information. I hope you found this video helpful and it helped you fix the issue with your AirPods. If you have any other questions, you can leave them below and leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out until then.